Hi, you're welcome to Daily Hustle GH. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WordPress website like I promised you in my last video, that I'm going to start teaching you some basic technical skills that you can easily engage online and offline, and then you can make a living out of that. So in this video, we are going to start. We may not be able to end, and if we don't end, we'll create a second part to it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of these all important skills trainings we are going to start from today. All right, so let's get in. Before we start, I want to show you two of my already existing WordPress websites. They are both cryptocurrency websites. So let me show you the main crypto website so you can see it there. This is a cryptocurrency website that I created, so you can see at the top there, you can see the pages. This is a single page website, but you have different pages on the whole single screen. And then we have different types where you have the pages on different screens. So you can see this is the home page. Alpha X staking community is a groundbreaking community, well built, blah blah blah. And then when you go to about, it scrolls up and then it moves to that page. You go to token sales, it moves up, and then you go to roadmap, it moves up. So this is a website I created myself, and then the team, and then the contact. So these are some of the pages you can get on a website like this. And then let me show you the second one. That is the community website. It's the same crypto website, but this is the community website. The main purpose of this is to buy and then to stake the token. So here again you can see, so this is the home page. So that's the main home page. That is it. So you can see quite a little information there. And then you go to the about page. The about page gives you the information about what the website is about. And then that is it. Then you go to how it works. So in this case, how does the Alpha S community staking work? So that is the how it works page. And then you go to the staking pool. This is where the members, when they buy their tokens, they can come and buy a staking here and then stake it for a number of days they want to stake. So you can see it nicely designed. And then you go to buy now, and then you go to the news, which under other normal website you will see like blogs, etc. And then you go to the contact page where your visitors can contact you in case they need any information or they want to pass any information. So basically that is how a WordPress website looks like. So that's just a finished product. Let's go in and see how you can create your own. So I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of creating your own WordPress website. I have 10 steps here. If I'm not able to finish all of them, I'll create a second part to this video, and then we will continue until we finish. So number one, all you need to do first of all, before you start creating your WordPress website, is you need a domain name, and then you need a hosting account. The domain name is like your business name or the identity of your site. If people are looking for you online, they will use that name, your domain name. It's just like you have your business name in a physical brick and mortar business, and when they come to the shopping area, they can identify your shop by your business name. And then the hosting is the place where your website is going to be located online. That is where your website or your domain is going to be located, and bring it to the World Wide Web so that people can look for you. If not, it will remain on your PC where you created it, but it has to be on a server somewhere, and then it will either be on a cloud or it will be on a server somewhere, and then people can locate you. So that is the hosting. I may not go into that for this video. I'll do another video and show you how to purchase a domain name, how to choose a domain name where you can purchase your domain name from, and then I'll show you where you can also get your hosting account on. There are many web hosting companies online. You can choose each of them that you want to choose, but I'm not going into that right now. So I assume that I'll do a video and then cover that one, because that one is a whole lot of stuff that we need to deal with. But so let's assume that we have a domain name and then we have a hosting account. So that's where we are coming from in this video. And so we go into the hosting company's back office, our back office, and we go to the cPanel or the control panel, and then we get to where our domains are. So here you can see I have 4 domains here already. One is a subdomain, so we have the websites I showed you, these are their domains. There is a third website which I didn't show you, so I have 3 WordPress websites already, and so this is the 4th one we want to create. I have the domain already. It's a subdomain because it's just for trial and it's not a main domain. So we are just going to create a website where we can showcase pets, and then how to rear pets, how to take care of pets, and then their training, etc. So that's the basic purpose. So if you are going to create a website, number one, you need to know the purpose for which you are creating a website, and then you know the type of website you are going to create, the type of content you will be posting on the website, etc. That's very important because that's what is going to determine the kind of theme you are going to choose to fit the purpose of your website. So like you can see the name pets at alphaxcommunity.org. So we are going to be dealing with pets. So rearing of pets, training pets, their kids, their feeding, their medication, their treatment, etc. So basically we are looking at things like that. So that's what we are going to go to. So we are going to the control panel, and then we are going to choose the website. So the first thing we are going to do at this stage is we are going to install the WordPress app on the domain name, on the host. Then we are going to use it to create our website. So here we come, and then we see the various softwares that can be installed. So we come down here and you see the script. So this is WordPress. So we select it, and then we go to the interface. So this is to install the WordPress, and then we are going to do the stuff that, so you can see that these 3 are already installed. The alphaxtoken.org, that's the first one. We saw the token website, and then the community website, and this is a personal website I didn't show you. And so we are going to the top there, and then we are going to select install now. So once we click on install now, we are going to select the domain on which we are going to install. And so we said we are installing on pets at alphaxcommunity.org. So you select that domain. So all your domains must be pointing to this hosting account, and we'll look at that in the next video, where we'll be looking at how to create a domain name and then how to register your hosting account. So once you do that, you understand this basic. So we select this. This is where we want to install the WordPress. So this one gives you the version of WordPress. So that's the most current one, 6.4.2. And so the name of the WordPress, so we are saying, so let's create either my blog, that's the default name. So we are going to say pets, our pets. So that's the name that we want to give to our website. So we say Pets Kingdom. So Pets Kingdom, and then we just put there the site description. Let's say we say everything about pets. Okay, so that is the description of our website, and then any of this in disable WordPress cron, and then enable multi-site. You can leave all those things, but here is where you need the information that is going to help you to log into your back office, and then the admin page where you are going to do all the installations, and you are going to do every build up, and then you now go. So this is what is called the back office of your WordPress. How do you log in there? So you can either leave this one there, and or you create your own password. So let's say we are creating a password. It should be strong enough. Pets 101 GH. So that is our pet name, or that is our password for this website. You can see it is not strong. It is 53 over 100. That is good. Also, let's say we can put another sign there to make it a little strong. So we put at, so it increases. So pets 101 at GH. So that is our password to get to the admin interface for the WordPress that we're going to install. And then here, your email, you can put your email where information will be sent to. So let's say we are using this email address for that. Okay, so our admin email address will be this. So all this, make sure you write them down because you will need them. And then you go here. So you need what? Select plugins that must be installed at the beginning of the installation. So you can select backups, improve page speed. No, you don't. You leave this one. You leave this one. File manager, you can install, or you can leave it, whichever. You can go and install them later on from the plugins page. So you don't need to bind yourself. And then select theme. You don't need to do that. You can go and do that later on. And then information goes to the same website, the same email address. And then so you fill all those details. This is the most important part because this is what you are going to use to log in. So make sure the email address, you put the email address, then the admin username, and then the password, especially the password. So remember, we use pets101 at GH. So the pets is capital P and then small ETS 101 at GH. The G is capital or uppercase. And so we just go down and then we click on install. Okay, so the installation will commence unless there is a problem. So you can see the installation is ongoing. 13, 14, 15%, 20, for 58, 60, 100% done. It will soon be okay, and then we can go in. So 100% done. It's finishing, preparing, propagating the database, and then we will get to the admin interface, and then we'll start creating our WordPress. So this is the installation. Once you install the WordPress app on your domain name at the hosting account, so there it is. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So here you see WordPress has been currently or successfully installed at https:/pets@alphascommunity.org. So this is the administrative URL, and then this is the main website, which is the front view interface of the website. Every website has the admin panel, which we call the back office, or the back side of it, where you do all the construction of the website and the build up. And this is the one that people will be using to access your website. So let's go in here first. We go to the admin interface, and then we go to the front view. Okay, so here we come. So Pets Kingdom. So this is how it is going to look up. So that is the domain theme that has been selected for it. We can go back and change the theme. Okay, so we can see it, the Pets Kingdom, that's a website. And so this is the admin interface. This is where you are going to do everything. It is only you, the admin or the owner of the website, that has access to this place. That is where you are going to use your admin username and then your password to get access to this place. So you can just navigate and look at all this place. You can set up your jetpack, and then all this stuff. You can check all the back office here, etc. So the main thing we are going to be looking at this place first is we are going to, so the next step is we are finished installing, and we are going to log into the WordPress dashboard. So that is where we are. That's the step 3. We have logged into the dashboard. So this is what we call the WordPress dashboard. So you can see it, this is the WordPress dashboard. That's the admin panel where you are going to do. So we have left HostGator where we are hosting. We have now installed WordPress, and we are at the WordPress dashboard. This is where you do your construction and everything. So we are going to choose a theme that aligns with the purpose of the website. Normally when you install, there is the generic, the default theme that is installed for you. So you go to appearance, and then you come to themes, and then you click on it. It will take you to the themes page, and then you choose a theme that lines up with pets. Okay, so here we are. You have all the themes that are installed currently. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And so you come to add a new theme. Okay, if you don't like any of these default ones that are installed and the one that is activated, you can choose a new one altogether. And that is what we are doing currently. So we choose a new theme altogether, and then we are going to use it to build. So once it loads, it will bring different other themes. There are some that are free, there are some that are premium. It means sometimes those ones you need to buy them to get the full complement of their functionality. So here you want to search. If you know the name of the theme you are looking for, then you can search it by name, or you can just scroll down to look. But if you don't know, let's say we are looking for a theme that relates to pets. So let's just type in the word pets and see whether there is a theme that is built purposely for pets, and then we will see, and then we will choose from among that, or choose whichever one that is given to us. So we see that so if we put pets there, these are the ones that are coming for us. Okay, my network is poor, so you can see it is taking time, but you can see already that we have themes. So the theme is what is going to give your WordPress website its look, how it is going to look, the design, and then the look, the appearance is going to be based on the theme that you choose. So you can see that we have Wildlife Safari, we have Green Farm Elementor, we have WordPress cPet, and then we have others that are coming up: Dog Breeder, Pet Blog, Creatures Light, Marketing Agency, etc. like that. So Pet Life Light. So if you see light, it means it has the full version, which you have to pay to get the pro version. All right, so the pet clinic. So let's assume you are establishing a veterinary clinic or a pet clinic. You can choose a theme like this for that. So all that is it. So you can see, look amount, and then we decide to choose any pet depending on how we want our WordPress website to look like. Okay, so these are example of themes that we can choose from. So pet animal store, so you can decide to install that one. So just look around and just choose the one that you want. So if it's a pet store that you are establishing where you will be selling pets, you can choose any of them, etc. So let's look down quickly and see which of them we are picking. Okay, so let's say we are choosing Dog Breeder. The pets is in general, so it's not only dogs we are looking at. So let's look at, maybe we are taking Pet Blog. So let's say we are installing this one. So we install it, and then you can activate it. So we have installed and we activate. Okay, once you activate, it becomes the active theme for your website that you are going to create. Okay, so there we are. You can see that that is the activated theme. You can click here to customize, but let's go to the website and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it was when we initially installed the website. That's the default. So now we just refresh to see how it looks like now with the change of the theme. Okay, so there you are. Now this is how it is going to look like. And so there you see the Pet Kingdom, everything about pets. That's the description we choose there. And so now we are going to build this site. And so you see right now we don't have any information, we don't have anything there. So we go to the admin page, and then we are going to add pages. We are going to add other informations like the logins and then the things that we need. So we have added the theme, we have installed the theme, we have chosen the right theme we want. The next thing is we are going to customize. So in order to customize, we can go down here, customize. So we customize it. In customization, what you are doing is you are going to either modify your site title, you are going to modify the tagline, the color, the fonts, other settings as per your preference. And then you are also going to go and then create pages and then set up menus, etc. That will give a good look to your website. Okay, so right now you see that we just have a sample page. You don't have the pages at the top here like I showed you in this. So how do you create these pages? We are going to look at that. If you want to create the logo for the site, you can do that here as well. So this part you can see the logo there, and then this one you can see the logo. We'll look at that in a subsequent video. And so for now, we just want to customize, and then we add some pages, and then we also set up our menu and then arrange the pages the way we want them, and then we will be done. And then maybe in the subsequent video we'll look at how to add content, and then how to install essential plugins, and then set up basic search engine optimization, and then the testing and the launching. But we'll look at a few of them right now. We are just going to look at how to add pages to our new website, and then how to set up our menu, and then I think we will be done for today. So that is how the site looks like. All right, so that's the customization page. So there's the active theme RSpec block, and so we can change. You can change the theme if you want to change. You can change it from here and take another theme. But here you can look at the global settings, and then if you want to change anything there, you can just change it right here. So the header settings, banner setting, sidebar setting, post page setting, color setting, post loop setting, copyright section, etc., etc. So the copyright section is down here. When you look at the down here, you can see copyright at 2023 Alpha S community. So that is your copyright section right there, which you can create at the customization here. So you can just set up your everything here as you see. So copyright 2023, all rights reserved. So whatever you want to see there, you will put it there. So maybe you will add the site name, and then it will show up in the site there. Let's look at what is there currently. So we see that there's nothing there currently, so we include it in the copyright 2023. Okay, all right, so look at how we have it here. So we go the Pet Kingdom. So the copyright belongs to Pet Kingdom. Okay, so we publish it. So we go back. What changes do we want to make right now? Right now, header background color, how should it be? We want it to be green as it was. We publish. So the font, you can change the font type here if you want to change, and then the size of the font and everything can be changed here. And then you go to the next page setting, color setting. You can choose all the colors are there you want them. So we maintain the default colors like that. And then we go down, site identity. So you should have your logo and all those things created that will appear. So these are the site identities, as you can see there. You can upload them, and then once you go to the website, right now you can see that we don't have any of the site identities there. And so you create them and then you upload them. These are the sizes. We'll look at those ones in a subsequent video when we go to how to create the logo and etc. image. We don't have any image currently to upload. If you have it, you just upload it here, etc. All right, so basically that's how you customize all the information you want to set. You set it up at this place, and then once you are done, you close it, and then it goes back your dashboard. And then we are going to add pages. So let's say we are going to add pages, add new page. Okay, so we go to add new page, and we are going to add pages. So let's just assume, what pages are we going to add? So the home page, and then we are going to add the pets, and then the feeding, and then training, and then we are going to add just a few of them. Maybe let's add about 2 or 3 pages and see how it is done, and then you just familiarize yourself. Okay, so the title of the page you are creating, so you put it there. So let's say home page, and then you go to what? Publish, and then the page is published. Okay, so the page is published, so you can go to view, and then it will take you to the view, so you can see. So the home page has been created. We can delete the sample page. The home page has been created. You can see that our copyright has been created. Also, copyright C 2023 Pets Kingdom, all rights reserved, has been created. So that's how you do it. So you can see the banner, the head in banner, the background, we choose green. It's there. You can choose to change it to anything at any time. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard again, create additional pages. Okay. All right, so we create another page again. We go back, and then we add another page, new page. So we add pets. So the kind of pets we deal with, so we publish. All right, so page is published, and then we go back, and then we add another page. So that's how you create the pages one by one. So let's say pet care. So how we care for pets, that's another page. It's published, and then we go back, another page. So we go to what? Training, pets training. So we publish that one too. It's published, and then we add the last one, contact us, how our clients and customers can contact us. Contact us, and then we publish that one too. Okay, so this one's also, let's go back to the page. All right, but let's do something quick. Let's delete the sample page before we refresh to see. So I'll go back, and then I'll go to pages. This time I'll select all pages. So these are the current pages that are there. So this is the sample page, and so we click on it, and then we trash it. So we move it to trash, and then it will be unpublished, and then it will not be among the current ones. So you can see now contact us is there, home is there. They are arranged alphabetically, but we can create a menu and then arrange them the way we want them to appear. Okay, so now let's go to here and then refresh the website, and so you can see it there. So you can see nicely created pages. So you can see contact us, home, pets, pets care, pets training. You can add as many pages as you want. But now what we are going to do finally before we close this video is we are going to create a menu. The menu is the, how do I call it? It's like table of content. If you are doing a book or a course, it's a table of content. So this is like a table of content and how to arrange it. Okay, so that is what we call the menu. So we go here and then we come down to appearance again, and then we go to menus. Okay, we come to menus, and then we are going to create our menus. Okay, so we put the name there, primary menu or main menu, whatever you want to call it. Okay, display location, that's the primary menu. Every theme has its own customization. Some of them have different menu locations where the menu can appear at the top, at the bottom, at any place. So they can have, some of them they have 3 or 4, 5 different menu locations. The primary menu location is at the top, so we select the primary menu location. If you select automatically add new topic levels, top level pages to this menu, anytime you add a new page, it will automatically be added to the menu. Okay, and then if you want it to show at the footer menu, it will also show at the bottom of the website. Where you come at the bottom, it will show at the bottom of the website. Okay, but so right now we are selecting the primary menu, and then we create the menu. Okay, once we create the menu, then we will rearrange all these pages the way we want them to appear. Okay, so now we have created the menu. What we have to do is we have to now add all these pages. So we just select all of them. We select all of them. They must all be included in the menu. Okay, add to menu. So you select here, add to menu, and then it will be added to the menu. They will appear at this side. Good, so they have appeared. So now you have to rearrange them. We want the home page to be at the first. We want the contact to be at the last page. So we want pets to be the second place, and then the pets care should be at the third place, and the pets training will be at the fourth, and then the contact us will be at last. Then we save. So you click on save menu. So you have done changes. So all you do is you click on save menu, and then the menu will be saved. So look at the arrangement here. You can see the arrangement here: home, pets, pets care, pets training, and then contact us. So you see that when we come here, originally it was not like that. It was arranged in alphabetical order. So C comes, H follows, P, and P, but the words that follow determine which of them comes first. So now we are going to refresh the page to see how it looks like. So we refresh the page, and once we refresh it, so you can see it has changed the arrangement. Home page comes first, pets comes second, pets care comes third, pets training comes next, and then contact us comes next. So there you are, you have our pet name, that's the website name. Pets Kingdom, we made a little mistake here. We can go and correct it at the back office there. The I is missing, and then everything pet, we can just correct it at the back here. So once we go to the dashboard, you can do many changes at the dashboard here. So once you come to the settings, and then you go to general, it will take you to the general page, and then you can see everything there. So you can see the name here. We can do the correction here. We put the I there, and then we correct it, and then we click on save changes. Okay, so anything you want to save in the front page or the front side of the website, you come to the admin panel, and then you come and do it there. So you see we have omitted the I here, but we have gone to put it at the back there. So we just refresh. Once you refresh, the correct one comes. That is as easy as that. So that is how you create your WordPress website. And so you will begin to now add content. Once you click on the home page, you are now going to add content either from here, and so you can see it there. So the home page is there, the pets page is there, so you can edit it from the front view here. Once you are the admin and you have logged in, you can do some of the updates here. So pet care is here, pet training page is there, and then contact us. Now you can decide to install any plugin. Plugins are other added features that can help you enhance your website. Okay, so we are going to do that in our next video, where we are going to install plugins for contact us, the home page, and etc. Okay, so we can just decide to edit it here, and then we'll update the information that we want to put in there, and then we are good to go. Okay, so it's as simple as that. That is how you create your website, your WordPress website. In the next video, we are going to look at how to complete it and how to upload information. By that time, I'll show you how to create your logo. I'll take you to another site where you can do some graphic design, create your logo for your website, and then you can upload it and etc. here. And then how to begin to create content, we'll look at it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of these practical skills that we are beginning to learn. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.